Welcome to Wilson Brothers Ranch. We got a new package. So inside the hover box, we have the power case, this little beacon and joystick, and the actual drone. So we bought the HoverAir XI ProMax. This is an AI hovering drone that follows you around. So this is what it looks like inside. Go ahead and take this out. This thing is so small. There's a little camera there. Actually no battery power from factory, so we're gonna have to go ahead and charge this battery up. So I'm assuming this is gonna be accessories and whatnot. Okay, so we got the carrying case. That's very interesting. So this is the carrying case for the hover. We'll go ahead and start opening it up and figuring out what's inside. So we have a little carrying lanyard, a magnetic clip for the beacon, and a magnetic adapter mount for the beacon. This other side, we have power adapter for the charger. This is the charger itself. You put your batteries in, and we have ND filters. We'll start off with the beacon and joystick bundle. That's a very, very nice case. It's like faux leather almost. There we go. Some of our cords. Have a little bit of information book up there. Probably some warranty stuff and some extra. I think these are Joy-Cons you can change out. I don't know, let's take all the plastic off here and find out. Very nice case. We have some adapter cords and maybe some chargers. And these are the actual joysticks. So we have a left and a right, and then we put our beacon right in the middle. And looks like we have two different types of joysticks, a flat and kind of, these are really raised. So to connect this all together, we just turn this on its side, then we have a clip on the bottom and top, or top and bottom, and that's in good. Do the same with the other side. There we go, just like that. And it's done. And you can put your phone in here. And all that's left to do is just figure out which joysticks we want. And we have the power case. Go ahead and open this up. That didn't work. There we go, there it is. Now what's cool about this, you can actually charge this guy up and open the side here and put the actual drone inside this case. While you charge your drone up, you have an extra 40 minutes of flight time out wherever. In addition to being the drone charger, it actually acts as a battery backup, and you can just charge your phone off this like an emergency situation. So to charge the drone inside the charging case, you just fit in your little adapter here, a little magnetic piece, open it up, and then that's where the connection meets, and then we'll get our drone while it's folded up and put it directly inside. Here we go, slid in its little slot, and then we just close it up. And I can see it started charging that battery inside the drone. This is the beacon here. To power it on, hit this top button, the beacon will start powering up. Little vibration, let me know it's on. And it's starting to wake up. And we're just gonna go ahead and set up. We're gonna go ahead and search for our drone and get it connected. And just as a little bonus, they gave us some stickers, just some different unique stuff. And they actually sent this. So this is a sample hem frame. Try to tear it or break it. And this is a hyper elastic material apparently, and it's supposed to not break. It's supposed to kind of wear and tear, try to rip it, try to bend it, and it's always gonna go back to the way it was. If you guys are interested in getting one of these for yourselves, go ahead and click the link down in the description. It'll bring us straight to our Amazon storefront, and you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Amazon usually has a better deal for all this stuff than the actual website does, so go ahead and click the link and see it.